Minisa Muvango wa Usakuani Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen wa Kana niwe Usakuani Ngavana wa Trans Nzoia George natembea na Kutwaiiw'a enda Easya tiwe Kutwaiiw'a Usakuani Kana kiki kiwe kwa atongo kibathukani kuma Ulei na serikali ni Aineena ila kusiasya undu Usakuani yumbanite maunduni ma Uvaniiwe Munini Kuya kasipulu Murkomen Easya kana tambi ya Kutwaiiw'a atongo amo Usakuani yosio kwikithia kana mabuti mo maina atumekana ezitwani ya kusovya atongo haya sema obisa ma polisi nimeotumwa isesene sia kunia kula kwikithia kuni makula ni maina atelemwa masi no kutweleza.
Minista wa Usakuani Nthini Kipchumba Murkomen ni waikithia kuvetangwa kwa maofisa ma Usakuani na lama na mwikia Usakuani Gavana wa Kaunti ya Trans Nzoia George natembea na vala Murkomen waelesya kana atongoi angi kivathukanio kuma Ngaliko cionthe cia kiuteti ni mavetangi wa maofisa mo itumi cia maofisa kwikonia na ciiko cia umamai avindani kavatielie masaa mavuthu Usakuani Munini Kutwaiiw'a kwi Muthenyani wa uni.
I am aware that not just Natembea, but I'm aware that a number of VIPs on both sides of the political divide, their security have been withdrawn by the National Police Service because the Police Service have a report that their officers or the officers attached to them are involved in criminal activities. Some who may be seen to be leaning to one side of political divide have chosen to keep quiet and not to share publicly what the police have done, and I've seen some have decided to go public. It is not only one person whose security has been withdrawn. It is a number of people, and in both political sides, because we want to make sure that nobody is shot by a police officer in the name of he was protecting these goons or was protecting his boss. In any case, there is no boss tomorrow in Kasipul. The people are the bosses and they are going to elect their boss.
Okavindani kau Murkomen ni waelesya kana wendi wone kwikithia kana maofisa asu maina atumia miyo yo kwanzia ila itailite maiweta tamakwithiwa makwikia Usakuani kwi atongo imo oingi ni waelesya kana mwene nthi ula ukukwatikana ailikilila unyuvani akosewa matambia mavyu makimiao.
If you are an election observer, you have a right to become election observer. If you have an agent, a registered agent, you do your work as an agent. Everybody else who is around loitering and trying to interfere with the elections will be treated as a suspect, like all other suspects. Any security measure taken by the National Police Service is, as I say, to avoid a crisis. If a police officer attached to VIP is walking and working with goons, what is the best thing to do is to, first of all, get them away from this crowd of goons so that we can be able to deal with the goons decisively. We want to ask every Kenyan, if you see a single police officer interfering with any voter, please report to their commanders or report to us or share the information publicly through the media, because we do not encourage any police officers to engage themselves on electoral malpractices. The job of the police officer is just to maintain law and order and facilitate Kenyans to exercise their constitutional rights.
Aineena kavindani kala kusiasya Usakuani kisioni cha Kasipul kati wa isio ingi ila kukwithiwa na ukuni wa kura. Murkomen ni waweta kana maofisa ma Usakuani makethi wa Nthini wa isesesya kukunia kura na kana kuikithia Usakuani muyanu kwi akuni ma kura.
We want to assure the people of Kenya and people of Kasipul and the other polling areas in Ugunja, in Malava, all the way, Magarini, Mbeere North, Dagoreti, I mean not Dagoreti but Kariobangi, yes I think, yes in Nairobi and in Tana River. We would like to deploy as many police officers as possible. So we want to forewarn our people to appreciate that there might be cases where in some areas you will see heavy police presence. It is not there for against the people, it's for your own good, to guarantee your right to vote and to make sure that you have a peaceful environment for you to exercise your constitutional right.
Uyuka etina wanatembea kuweta Kana maofisa alama na mwikia usesei ona musi kwake kuya Kitale matungiwe kwi Muthenyani wa iyo ayelesi akiko kiita undu wa kumwikia via valana ke seneta wa Kakamega Boni Halwale waikithia Kana no vetangiwe asesei make.
One partner wanted to continue anyway, yet the other agreed to follow the advice of the County Security Committee. So it was for the benefit and for the protection of the same people who are complaining.
Dilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo wa Mutongoi TV nye nita wa Masi Augustus.